We all have a toilet in our home, and they are really not fun to clean. However, they have an unfortunate tendency to scale up, leaving us in a situation where we end up with nasty brown tone stains, which, we must admit, are really disgusting. But don't worry, Trop Facile will show you a super efficient, ecological and economical way in less than 2 minutes to help you avoid this. You'll need a glass container, a kettle or saucepan, percarbonate soda sold in some supermarkets, a spoon, and maybe a disinfectant spray for the outside of your toilets. Sodium percarbonate is a natural ecological product composed of soda crystals, a powerful disinfectant and descaler, and hydrogen peroxide, known for its whitening and antibacterial virtues. Pour 3 tablespoons of percarbonate into your container and then proceed to put 1 liter of water to boil. My intention is far from wanting to infantilize you, but I prefer to remind you that you should be careful while handling boiling water and percarbonate soda. Pour the mixture into your toilet, focusing on the areas that need cleaning the most. While it is working, you can clean the outside of your toilet and the toilet bowl too. Once the water has cooled down a bit, do not hesitate to plunge the toilet brush into the bowl to clean it as well. Once a few hours have passed, gently scrub your toilet and flush it. You'll see everything will be gone. If you find yourself in an extreme case or in an area where the water contains much limestone, you can also pour some white vinegar or citric acid in your toilet to clean it. And this is the end of the video. We hope you enjoyed it and that it will help you. If so, please like and share this tip, it helps us more than you think. Please do not hesitate to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss any trick. See you soon in another video. Bye! Hey, psst, you still there? If you have a minute, please click on those videos. You should like it.